of Taipei stands so tall, a beacon of dreams, a wonder for all. Reaching the clouds, touching the sky, Taipei 101, where hopes never die. Oh, Taipei 101, shining so bright, a symbol of strength in the day and the night. From the earth to the heavens, your stories unfold, a marble of steel, a treasure of gold. Towering grace, reflecting the spirit of this vibrant place. Wind and quake, you stand your ground, a masterpiece where resilience is found. Fast as the wind, the elevator flies, fuse that amaze where the city lies. Through every season, through every storm, you remind us all to rise and transform. Oh, Taipei 101, shining so bright, a symbol strength in the day and the night. From the earth to the heavens, your stories unfold, a marble of steel, a treasure of gold. So here's to you, Taipei's pride, standing